Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today, goat in the Cassole, another clay pot recipe, but of course you can use any oven dish you like. This recipe is inspired from a dish that's called Loubia, a North African dish. I'm Wes, let's get started. The variety of white beans I'm using are lingots, the same beans they use for the French Cassoulet. You can replace them with Great Northern beans or any kind of white beans you like. And we're going to let these beans soak in twice the volume of cold water overnight. I got a goat leg and we're going to take up the meat and cut it in nice chunks. We're going to use the bones for our stock. Here we go. Take a pot that's big enough to make 3 or 4 liters of stock. Put in the bones, onion with 6 cloves, carrots, big chunks, garlic cut in half, and she goes. And the second one, celery. In the pot, 3 cubes of chicken stock in the pot. Add about 2.5 liters to 3 liters of water. Take your stock to the boiling point, then let simmer for at least 2 hours. The beans have been soaking in cold water overnight and we're going to rinse them. The beans back in the cooking pan. Half a tablespoon coarse sea salt. Pour a good amount of cold water, at least 3 fingers above the beans. Bring your beans to the boiling point, then leave it on a slow boil, 45 minutes, 50 minutes. The beans have to be done, but still have to be a little bit chewy. Take 2 limes, cut into little pieces, put the lime on your goat meat, half a tablespoon of coarse sea salt, and mix it up very well. Try to squeeze the lime a little bit. Let the goat meat rest in the fridge the time your stock is cooking. Skim off the beans once in a while. Our beans are well done and we're going to rinse them on the cold water. Take a dry frying pan, half a tablespoon of fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of caraway, half a tablespoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And we're going to lightly toast them just to wake up the essential oils in our spices. I'm going to use my mortar, but you can also use a kitchen robot. And we're going to ground it all into powder. I can tell you, it's quite a job to do. And I think we're going to leave it this way. That's good enough for me. After 1 hour, we're going to have a taste of our stock. We're going to add half a tablespoon of salt. And our stock is going to cook for another hour without the lid. So it's going to reduce a little bit. After 2 hours, it's time to filter the stock. And first we're going to take our vegetables out and we're going to mash them. Add a tin of peeled tomatoes. Just cut them grossly. Filter the stock. Chop some bell peppers. 1 onion. Here we go. Take any large container you like. Add the beans, the onions and the bell pepper. Chop tomatoes and the rest of our vegetables. 4 good tablespoons of our spice mix. Give it a good mix. Add some duck fat in your frying pan. Maximum heat. We're going to fry our Toulouse sausage. Add some more duck fat. We need a total of 150 grams of duck fat for the clay pot. Two tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of sage, mix well. We're going to put a little bit of thyme on the bottom of the cassole, or clay pot, a few bay leaves, the first layer of beans, some goat meat, a little bit of sausages, another layer of beans, I'm going to pour the duck fat over there, and we're going to complete with our stock. Heat up the oven up to 170 degrees Celsius, and we're going to let our beans cook low and slow for 3 hours. Every hour check out if you still got enough stock in there, and if necessary put some more stock in the beans. Have a look at this beautiful crust at the end, goat in the casserole. And so my dear gourmet friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.